Well, our top story tonight, it's India's Watergate. That's what the leader of the opposition, Sushma Swaraj, has declared today about the bugging controversy that's surrounding Pranab Mukherjee. The finance minister today called the entire issue bogus, but the opposition is demanding a probe. Meanwhile, official sources have told NDTV that Mr. Mukherjee's office was bugged and he knows who did it. So who was it?
What is it basically? I mean, how was you...
All these are bogus things.
So for CBDT...
Don't waste your time on this.
A furious no from the number 2 in the UPA government to reports of a spying attempt in his office last year. But the opposition says the no's from the UPA's senior-most politician are a cover-up. Borrowing from Watergate, the scandal which brought down US President Richard Nixon, the opposition's war cry is Pranab Gate.
अगर सरकार करवा रही थी तो ये सरकार के मंत्रियों के बीच में बढ़ते हुए अविश्वास का एक ज्वलंत उदाहरण है और अगर कोई कॉर्पोरेट हाउस करवा रहा था तो ये सुरक्षा घेरे में एक बहुत बड़ी चूक है.
Questions are many. Who was spying on the finance minister, or did Pranab complain to the Prime Minister simply because he thought his office was bugged? The opposition has tagged the facts to suit its theory that there is a trust deficit within the government. The finance and the home minister do not trust each other. They point out Pranab Mukherjee complained to the PMO, who didn't write to the home minister about his fears. BJP adds that there has been friction between the home and finance ministries over CBDT's right to tap phones and the presence of Chinese companies in infrastructure sector, and that this shadow boxing between the two is for the Prime Minister's post.
The Prime Minister must clarify. It is evident that there is great one-upmanship in this government, competition galore, and the left hand doesn't know what the right hand is doing.
The government feels that Pranab Gate will not hurt the government really. Sources say, though the Prime Minister has not spoken, but the coming cabinet reshuffle is perhaps one way Manmohan Singh can end the government in disarray impression. In Delhi, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.
So who's been bugging Pranab Mukherjee? Should there be a probe? Should there be an investigation as the opposition has demanded? Is there more than meets the eye to this entire story? Do let me know what you think. That's my Twitter handle right there. And let me ask Mr. Rajiv Shukla first that, you know, jokes apart, and we've all been having quite a lot of fun with this story as well, but it's a serious matter like the opposition says. So why not have an investigation, or at least let us know what was the outcome of the previous investigation? There must have been some report somewhere that said something.
Well, the affected person, the finance minister, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, who according to you was being bugged, if he says there was nothing, then why you should, unnecessarily raise the issue out of proportion? When the finance minister is saying they haven't found anything, Intelligence Bureau has already inquired about it, they've already done investigations, they haven't found anything, then why you are trying to take political advantage out of it? Everything is Watergate, Pranab Gate, everything is compared with Obama. I mean, the lurking opposition has got into a habit of pouncing upon the government on any issue without checking the facts. The problem is.
Nirmala Sitharaman, is this a case of blowing things out of proportion? Because as he said, the affected person says it's bogus, move on. They found nothing.
The affected person is not any unknown individual. He holds a very important portfolio and a minister. And being number 2 in the cabinet, it is not confined to the individual. It is confined to the way in which this government is running this country. So, for them to choose to say my office is bugged, and subsequently for them to choose to say my office is not bugged, what do they take the citizens for? Which story do you want us to believe? You get chewing gums in ministers' office tables, you get adhesives in so many places that the minister is agitated in the first place and calls for an independent inquiry other than from IB or Home Ministry. These are not small developments. These are not developments which you can take lightly and say, no, there was a difference of opinion, it's been patched up, so forget it.
You are only quoting media reports. No. Whatever has appeared in media, only quoting those reports. But you haven't got any evidence or documents. So you'll have to believe the finance minister. Na? You yourself is saying that he's a finance minister of the country. He's not just an individual. He's a responsible person. So if a responsible person is saying something, you should believe him.
I want to believe him in that. I want to now make up my mind as to which one to believe. First, he is the one who said my office is bugged. He's the one who said CBDT and not IB.
Mr. Shukla, it is a very serious matter that he writes to the Prime Minister. This is less than a year ago. He writes to the Prime Minister, and there are many unanswered questions because there are these adhesives or whatever found. They didn't find microphones, but they appear to have found these adhesives there in his office. So were microphones placed there earlier that were removed? There are questions.
Which one are we to believe? I think Mr. Shukla should explain that.
Nidhi, whenever there is any suspicion, these kind of drills always take place. But here the version of government and the version of opposition is as different as cheese and chalk. They are saying it's Watergate, and the whole country is going to be shaken because of that. If there was any suspicion, he immediately got it inquired. There may be adhesives. If the furniture is kept, there are a lot many adhesives here or there in furniture. He wanted to get it checked, he got it checked, and there was nothing.
No, Nidhi, I think
let us not. Around in furniture.
That's right. Let us not. Let us not.
If you see furniture, you find some adhesive here also. I'm telling you.
I can't find any chewing gum under my table.
Can put it.
No, but I would like to take it on a slightly higher, different plane and a serious note at that. Very well for the government now to tell us, you know, you don't make a mountain out of a molehill. But here, it's a question of your finance ministry being tabbed by somebody. Once the minister himself has set the alarm bells ringing, and for him now for some reason also give us an impression that he is settling down, compromising or probably adjusting to the situation is no good.
All right. Well,
we would want to know why the government is often giving. I mean, no good if you go on telling us why is the opposition jumping on the reports which is
so why not just have an inquiry?
I think please have an inquiry. What have you got to hide?
What
have a comprehensive inquiry.
Got the inquiry done. IB has already checked it, and IB hasn't found anything.
NDTV's Cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.